The newer version of Dell's XPS 15 has already started to make some buzz among laptop enthusiasts. With upgraded CPU, GPU, and other hardware changes, the performance of this laptop is quite more noticeable than the previous version. However, the Spectre X360 from HP is also not left behind. From performance to its design, it's a very well-made productivity laptop that's powered by 12th Gen Intel processors. In today's video, we will compare both of these productive laptops head-to-head in order to find out which laptop performs the best. Starting from the design, XPS 15 looks very sleek and premium with an aluminum chassis and carbon fiber palm rest. The touchpad is quite big and the keyboard feels very comfortable to type as well. With a nice thin bezel around the screen, it looks elegant and slim. HP Spectre X360 on the other hand has a 2-in-1 design. Each corner and edges are curved, which makes it more comfortable to hold. It also has a nice black finishing with a bit of gold chrome design, giving it very classy and premium vibe. The screen can be flipped around 360 degrees, so the users can also use it as a tablet. With solid keycap design and shape, typing on this laptop will feel just as comfortable as it was on the previous version. Both the XPS 15 and Spectre X360 laptops look incredibly good. However, if you're looking for something a bit more slim, then the XPS 15 might be a more suitable option for you. With that being said, let's proceed to the connectivity of both of these laptops. The Dell XPS 15 has a 3.5mm audio combo jack with 3 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports and 1 micro SD card slot. Among 3 USB-C ports, one of them can be used as a pod delivery port. And with the HP Spectre X360, you'll get 1 audio combo jack, an HDMI port along with a fast USB Type-A connection. Additionally, this laptop also comes with 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports as well. HP Spectre X360 seems to have more connectivity options. More options mean it can be used with multiple devices and accessories, but with less connectivity, Dell XPS 15 comes in a very slim design and size, which makes it a really good on-the-go laptop. When it comes to the display, both laptops look spectacular. Dell XPS 15 comes with a 15.6-inch display and 3.5K resolution. This 60Hz OLED touchscreen also has an anti-reflect feature, so if you happen to be somewhere in a bright place, then reflections won't bother you at all. Now, HP Spectre X360 has a really beautiful screen, which makes this laptop really unique from the XPS 15. This 360-degree 15.6-inch touchscreen OLED display really does produce beautiful colors with up to 3K resolution. Whether you work or watch some videos, Spectre X360 will surely give you an impressive visual experience. Dell XPS 15 and HP Spectre X360 both have top-notch displays with 400 nits of brightness, but with Dell XPS 15, you're getting more pixels with a little bit higher resolution. If you look inside the Dell XPS 15 specs, we'll find that it has a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with RTX 3050 graphics chip along with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD storage. Users may also find the Core i5 and i9 versions of this laptop on the market. In comparison, Spectre X360 also has a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 and i7 processor options with Intel Arc A370M graphics chip along with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. So, in terms of specs, both of these laptops don't have too much of a difference other than the graphics chip itself. Both XPS 15 and Spectre X360 have really powerful internal hardware, which is pretty good to boost your productivity. And lastly, the price difference between these laptops is pretty noticeable as well. While the XPS 15 with 12th Gen i7 processor laptop will cost you around $1,549, the HP Spectre X360 with i7 12th Gen costs only $1,399 with less than almost $200 difference. Performance-wise, both XPS 15 and Spectre X360 are amazing laptops for productive people. But if you want higher resolutions with slim and thin bezels, then you can go for the newer version of the Dell XPS 15. And if you're looking for an affordable 2-in-1 laptop, then the Spectre X360 is undoubtedly the best option for you. So, what do you think? Which one is the best in your opinion and why? Let us know in the comment section below. So, that was all about the comparison between Dell XPS 15 versus HP Spectre X360. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.